As a reseller, you're not just selling technology, you're selling trust, reliability, and peace of mind. Let's look at why technical support is one of the most important factors in building a successful UCaaS reselling business. Technical support goes beyond fixing problems. It covers installation, training, proactive monitoring, troubleshooting, and ongoing maintenance. In the UCaaS world, it's what keeps your clients' communication systems running and your reputation intact. When your clients have access to high-quality technical support, they get rapid issue resolution, proactive monitoring that catches problems before they escalate, comprehensive training resources, and the confidence to focus on their business instead of their phone system. Quality support from your UCaaS provider translates directly into stronger customer retention, better operational efficiency, and a reputation for reliability that sets you apart in a crowded market. When evaluating UCaaS partners, look for a robust ticketing system, clear escalation policies, phone and chat access, around-the-clock availability, geo-redundant infrastructure, and real-time quality of service monitoring. Your clients expect seamless, supported communications. The provider you choose either makes that possible or puts your brand at risk. Choose accordingly. Ready to partner with a UCaaS provider that has your back at every step? Visit skyswitch.com to get started.